How to apply for RBC credit card. Hello everyone, I am Bishaka and welcome to our channel. I will take you through the step-by-step process on how to apply for RBC credit card. Now, let's get right into the tutorial. You can apply for an RBC Royal Bank credit card in several ways. First, right from within online banking. On the account summary page, just look for the Apply for a Credit Card button and pick a credit card you want to apply for. If you are a business client, look for the Apply for a Business Credit Card button on the top right of the Account Balances page to start your application. Second, you can apply via Handy Credit Card Selector on rbc.com. If you are not yet sure which credit card you want to apply for, you can visit Credit Card Selector page to help you find the best fit. Third, directly from the checkout page of Select Partners. When shopping online, you will notice that you can apply for a new RBC Royal Bank credit card right from the checkout pages of selected partners. Applying this way often gets you exclusive offers not found anywhere else. As a bonus, if you are approved on the spot, you will be able to use your new credit card right away to pay for your purchases. So this is how you can apply for RBC credit card. If you find this tutorial helpful, please make sure to like the video and do subscribe to our channel for more contents like this. Thank you for staying with us until the end.